Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Fasco Charleston ceiling fan. This is the second generation model, and this is in polished brass. I believe the blade finish is pecan, if I'm not totally mistaken. Now, I found this on Craigslist, and when I first saw it, I was kind of taken back, because believe it or not, out of all my years collecting, I've never ever seen a Fasco Charleston in person. I've went down south, I've went out west, I have never seen one in person. So finding these is very, very, very uncommon for me. Since in my area, there is none of these. These are not common in my area at all. So I really, I was kind of shocked to see it on Craigslist. So I went and picked it up. It was about, I'd say, an hour drive, so it wasn't totally in my area. But anyhow, it was missing the mounting bracket, so I did have to put a different ball on it so that it would fit in the testing bracket up there. But it works fine, it just wobbles just a little bit. But this thing isn't in the best shape. The blades have a lot of scuffs on them. The switch cap has a big punch in the middle of it. But otherwise it works fine. I'm not a big fan of that switch cap, actually. I like just the plain flat one better, but I guess we're all different. So I'll demonstrate it. I'm actually going to move the camera up here so you can get a kind of better view of it. There we go. Alright, so here's low speed. Some of the blades are bent, so it is going to wobble. But it's a very neat fan. It has a metal flywheel on it. I was just kind of taken back when I saw this on my Craigslist. I know for a lot of other collectors, these aren't very uncommon, but for me, it really is uncommon. That's about low speed. It has a nice low speed. Here's medium. It's gonna start to wobble a lot. This is my first real Fasco. I did have at one point a Fasco Gulfstream. Doesn't really count, but Bearings do need to be oiled on this. They're a bit scratchy. But yeah, these don't have any childhood significance or anything like that. But they're just a cool fan to have around. Even though this is a very common fan for some other people. And here's high speed. It really blows a lot of air on high. I like the little motor noise it makes. And the upwards facing blades, that was always something that intrigued me. Stop these very easily too by just grabbing that flywheel. The tag is up there. Which one below? not sure the date of this fan. I really don't know. I think somebody can decode that. Get up there, hang on. Don't know if that can be seen too well. But there it is. If anybody knows the date, can help me out with that, it'd be great. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.